In this lecture, we will extend this technique to more digit numbers. Now this is a 3-digit number and this is a 2-digit number, and there is no number left for 1 to add. So before writing 1 over here, we will observe the pair on the right of 1, that is 4 and 3. 4 and 3 are non-carry numbers. So if 4 and 3 are non-carry numbers, we will write 1 as it is. Now 4 plus 3 is 7, but before writing 7 over here, we observe that 5 and 6 are carry numbers. So instead of 7, now we are going to write 8, and 5 plus 6 is 11. We will just write n number over here. Now in this case, 2 as it is, but before writing 2, we observe the pair on the right side of it, 3 and 7. Now 3 and 7 are carry numbers. So instead of writing 2, we will write 3. Now 3 plus 7 is 10, but 7 and 5 are carry numbers. So we increase 10 by 1, it becomes 11. And n number of 11 is 1. So we write 1 over here. After leftmost number, rest all numbers are n numbers. Now 7 plus 5 is 12. So instead of 12, we will write just n number, 2. Only leftmost pair is a complete number. Rest all numbers are n numbers. Instead of writing 7 over here, we observe 8 and 8. 8 and 8 are carry numbers. So we increase 7 by 1, it becomes 8. And 8 plus 8 is 16, but the pair on the right side of it, 5 and 6, is also a carry number. So we increase 16 by 1, so it becomes 17, and n number becomes 7. And 5 plus 6 is 11, and number is 1. 3 and 8 are carry numbers, so instead of 4 we will write 5. Now 8 plus 3 is 11, but 5 and 8 are carry numbers, so instead of 11 we will write 12, and 2 is the n number. 5 plus 8 is 13 and 3 is the n number. In this problem, we observe that 5 plus 4 is 9 and they are non-carry number. But whenever we get some 9, we just look for the carry number on the right side of it. If the right side pair of the 9 is a carry number, then instead of 9 it becomes 10 and then it becomes a carry number. Now 5 plus 9 is a carry number, so 5 plus 4, 9 now becomes 10 and now it is a carry number. If it is a carry number, we have to increase 7 by 1, so it becomes 8. And because this becomes 10, so the n number is 0. And 5 plus 9 is 14, so we write n number 4. Now we will try to write faster. 4 and 7 are carry numbers, so instead of 2 we will write 3. 8 and 6 are also carry numbers, so instead of 11 we will take it as 12. And 2 is the n number. And 8 plus 6 is 14, so 4 is the n number. This is how we can proceed. 6 and 2 are non-carry numbers, so we will not increase 3. And now 6 plus 2 is 8, but before writing 8, 7 and 9 is a carry number. So we increase 8 by 1, so it becomes 9. And 7 plus 9 is 16, so n number is 6. 4 and 4 is 8. So these numbers are non-carry numbers, so we will write 5 as it is. But 8 and 2 are carry numbers. So we increase 4 plus 4, 8 by 1. So it becomes 9. And now 8 plus 2 is 10 and n number is 0. So we write just n number over here. Now 4 and 3 are non-carry numbers. So 7 as it is. But 4 and 6 are carry numbers. So we increase 7 by 1. So it becomes 8. And 6 plus 4 is 10. So n number is 0. Since sum of 4 and 5 is 9. And the pair after it is 3 plus 5, that is also non-carry number. 3 and 5 are non-carry pair. And 4 and 5 are also non-carry numbers. So we just write 5 over as it is without increasing 5 by 1. And 4 plus 5 is 9. And 3 plus 5 is 8. So this is a simple addition problem without carrying. Now we are going to learn how to add triple digit numbers. Now we have to add 244 to 448. Sum of 2 and 4 is 6. But the numbers before 2 and 4 are 4 and 4 and they are non-carry numbers. So we write the sum of 2 and 4 as 6. And now 4 plus 4 is 8. And numbers on the right side of this pair are 4 and 8 and they are carry numbers. So we increase 4 plus 4, 8 by 1. So this becomes 9. And now 4 plus 8 is 12 and we write the n number. Now here 8 plus 9 is 17 and 8 and 6 are carry numbers. So instead of 17 we will write 18. On the leftmost side we always write the complete number, and for the rest of the additions we just write the end numbers. Now 8 plus 6 is 14, but 9 and 4 is also a carry pair. We increase 14 by 1, so this becomes 15 and the end number is 5. And 9 plus 4 is 13 and end number is 3. Now this is to be noted that only on the leftmost number we write the complete number. For rest of the numbers after adding, we just write the end number. Now 8 plus 5 is 13 and pair on the right side is 9 and 4 and they are also carry pair. So we will increase 13 by 1, so it becomes 14. And now 9 plus 4 is 13 and the numbers on the right side of these numbers are 6 and 2 and they are non-carry. So we will not increase the sum of 9 and 4, which is 13, and the end number is 3. And now 6 plus 2 is 8. Now 2 plus 6 is 8 and numbers on the right side of it are 4 and 5. But whenever we get the sum 9, we always go to the right side pair again. If the right side pair is a carry pair, then we increase 9 by 10 and then we proceed. Here the next pair is 5 and 4, which is a non-carry number. So we will not increase 9 by 1. So 2 plus 6 is 8 and 4 plus 5 is 9 and 5 plus 4 is 9. So this is the answer. 7 plus 8 is 15, but 5 and 9 is a carry pair. So we increase 15 by 1, so it becomes 16. Now 5 plus 9 is 14, but 6 and 6 is a carry pair. So we increase this 14 by 1, so it becomes 15 and the end number is 5. Now 6 plus 6 is 12 and end number is 2. So this is how very easily from left to right without making any mistake we are able to write the answers. A few more problems, and instead of speaking we will just write the answers. You can also do along with me and let's check the speed. So this is how we can add big numbers without giving stress to the brain. Now we will extend this addition to 4-digit numbers. 8 plus 9 is 17 and the numbers on the right side of it are non-carry numbers. So we will write the complete number as it is, because for the leftmost side we always write the complete number. For further numbers we will just write the end numbers. Now 1 plus 5 is 6 and 1 and 4 are non-carry numbers, so we will not increase 6 by 1. So we will just write 6 as it is. Now 1 plus 4 is 5 and 2 and 7 are non-carry numbers again. So we will write 5 as it is. Now 2 plus 7 is 9. Now in this case 7 plus 5 is 12 and the numbers 6 and 5 are carry numbers. So we increase 12 by 1, so this becomes 13. Now 6 plus 5 is 11, but 9 and 3 are carry numbers, so we increase 11 by 1, it becomes 12 and the end number is 2. For all these numbers we will just write the end numbers. Now 9 plus 3 is 12, but 8 and 2 is a carry number, so this becomes 13. So 3 is the end number. And now 8 plus 2 is 10 and 0 is the end number. So this is how we can perform the addition for more digit numbers. Now we will try it faster. 7 plus 4 is 11, but these are carry numbers, so this is 12. Now 8 plus 8 is 16, but the pair on the right side is giving the sum 9. Now whenever we get the sum 9, we always look for the next pair. Now 5 and 1 is non-carry pair. If 5 and 1 is non-carry pair, we will not increase the sum 6 plus 3, 9 by 1. So this becomes non-carry pair. Now if this is a non-carry pair, then 8 plus 8 is 16, then 6 is the end number. Now 6 plus 3 is 9 and these are also non-carry numbers, so we'll just add these. So this becomes, now 8 plus 4 is 12 and the pair on the right side is making 9. If it is making 9, then we again go to the next pair, and 5 and 3 is a non-carry pair. That means we will not increase 9 by 1. So these will be non-carry numbers. So 4 plus 8 is 12, and that is also not increased. We will write this number as full. When we add the leftmost numbers, we always write the full number. So it is 12. Now 7 plus 2 is 9, and we will not increase this by 1 because these are non-carry numbers. So this becomes 9. Now 5 plus 3 is 8, but these two numbers are carry numbers. So we increase 8 by 1. So this becomes 9. Now 9 plus 6 is 15, and 5 is the end number. So answer becomes like this. Now 5 plus 2 is 7, but 8 and 5 are carry numbers. So we will write 8 over here. Now 8 plus 5 is 13, and 9 and 4 is also a carry pair. So instead of 13 it becomes 14, and end number is 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. Now 6 and 1 are non-carry numbers. So we will not increase the sum. So sum remains 13 only, and end number is 3. And 6 plus 1 is 7. So answer becomes, now 6 plus 2 is 8, but 9 and 5 are carry numbers. So we write the sum as 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. Now 8 and 6 are carry numbers. So instead of 14, we will consider this as 15, and end number is 5. Now 8 plus 6 is 14, and 5 and 9 are carry numbers. So we increase this by 1. So this becomes 15, and we write the end number 5. 5 plus 9 is 14, and number is 4. So this is the answer. So similarly, we can extend this to any digit numbers. If you follow this technique and practice lots of sums, then definitely you will also start writing in spark of time. And whatever is happening is going to the brain, and our brain is receiving these signals within fractions of time. And since we are manipulating it fast and writing the answers very fast, it sharpens our brain and activates our brain. So you need to practice lots of sums, and it will increase your calculation power and addition power very fast. And now there is a task to practice more problems. And here are the answers.